Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to see how to create a GIF or a GIF from your YouTube video or any other video that may not necessarily be yours, but it's a YouTube video. So you're going to go to your channel or where your video is. So I'm going to be choosing a video from my channel and I'm going to be choosing this one. So you tap on a video that you want to and you let it play. So after that you tap on the link until it brings the www dot. So we're going to be deleting from that dot till the front. So you delete all that and then you write GIF and then you press enter. So as it loads, it takes you to the loading of GIF editor. So this is the YouTube editor, gifs.com, as you can see in the link above. So it brings a video, so you have to choose the parts that you want to cut out into the GIF. So I'm going to go with this part, the blue part, and you see, so you can work around with any of the options that are around here. So you can change this caption here and you write in whatever you want to say to your GIF. So after that you just tap on save. So you can add images, you can crop, you can do all these things that you want to do in this. So these are some of the stickers that they have, and some of them are free. All these ones that are on display are free. So you can choose any that you want to add in your GIF. So I'm looking through some. I'm going to pick this one. And edit. So I'm going to make it small just to put it in that GIF. So after adding the images, you go and save, and then you upload, create GIF. So it asks for the information, the title, so you can put in a title that you want, and you can put in the tags that I'm not going to put it in. You can remove sound, you can remove watermark, you can make it public or private. I'm going to make it private since I don't want that part, that GIF. After that we're going to go to next, create a GIF. So I want to access all features and GIF.com. So I'm going to cancel. So it brings you to this page where you can download a GIF to your computer or get the links, since it's from YouTube. So you get the links. So this is the login page. You have to first sign up or log in if you already have an account. So I'm going to put in my credentials and sign up. So what will you primarily use your GIFs for? I'm going to select. So it brings options and then you choose some that you want, sharing friends. Then I'm going to select education, and then after you finish, no thanks, I'm going to close this. So and then we go to download. I'm going to download the original one, and as you can see, the left corner is downloaded to my computer, and you can use it for any purpose that you want to. As you can see, you can still get the links to share, copy with your friends. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.